it's me, Kalila. And if you want to know how I got these cute crimps in my locks, continue watching.
All right, you guys. So I wanted to try something different. I will be trying out these no heat rollers, using them with water and mousse. And I pulled out 2 different bottles of mousse because of the nozzles. I ended up using the Smooth and Shine. However, I do like the Braid Twist and Lock, but the smell is just too strong for me. So the rollers I could not find at any hair store. I actually had to order them. The shorter set I got from Amazon, that came with 30, and the other long set I seen while doing a purchase on Shein for like $2. So I went ahead and bought them, and it came with a pack of 12. I did not like the stick with the Shein though. Basically, what I'll be doing is spraying my locks with water, applying some mousse for an extra hold, then attaching the roller and spraying with water again. Now, I've never used these or the spiral no heat rollers before, but with loose hair, I most likely wouldn't anyway because something don't sit right with me with attaching a hook to wet hair, but to each his own. So when applying the roller, I make sure the first wave is up and not down for a better look and more volume. I just attach the hook to the end of my locks, and then I slide the roller up and pull the hook out once I'm close to the top. And the more locks you have hooked, the harder it will be to pull through. And I did try having the roller on the hook first, but sometimes depending on how I need to hook, I might hook underhand or overhand. So I decided to just start applying the roller after I hooked my locks. So here I am now adding the roller onto the hook, and I squeeze that to just to help me open it. If you need to, you can squeeze that and it helps open it up a little bit to be able to push it up. I did end up having to cut some of the rollers I got from Shein because I can tell I was going to run out. So I did cut 2 of the longer ones in half, and with my length, it turned out okay. I just made sure I centered the roller with my hair length. So cutting them in half, they are just a tad bit shorter than the shorter rollers that I got. And I'm going to show you how I put it in and kind of just moved it down to the center here. So I ended up with a total of 44 in my head. And yes, if you know me, you know I went to sleep with these in, and it was the worst. But let's take these out. And I freaking love it. This is gorge to me. So when I'm pulling them out, I'm pinching the top of the roller so it doesn't pull at my roots. I mean, you can pull them out the other way, but I wouldn't. So if you decide to try this out, just note a couple of things. One is however you roll them is how they will turn out. So if you have a couple of locks that are in there and they're kind of curled up or turned up or not straight, they will come out bent. See? So just be careful with that. Another thing is try not to go all the way to the scalp, because you might feel some tension there if you go up too far. And last, you don't have to sleep in these overnight. I slept in mine because I was wearing them for Christmas and I didn't feel the need to take them out the day before, but you can wear these a couple hours and get the wave outcome. Now I am pulling them apart just to give it a better look. Be careful with this. Do not pull them apart more than once, because then there would just be a bunch of wavy single locks and it'll look more like a braid out. And honey, this is not a braid out, okay? These a braid out will actually last longer than the waves will. I would say that this is more like a special day, special event type of thing to do, because it will not last. I wore this on Christmas. And actually, guys, as I'm talking, it is New Year's Day. So happy New Year. May this be your best year yet, honey. Try new things. Join a band. I don't know, child, but I'm about to touch up my edges a little bit. If you like this, please leave a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Let me know if you ever use these rollers at all, and if you're thinking about trying them on your locks. But I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.